Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue cookies without an oven. We'll cover everything from whipping the perfect meringue to drying it to a crisp, delicate finish using alternative methods. Get ready to enjoy these sweet treats even without a traditional oven. It's simpler than you might think to achieve a delightful, airy texture. To begin, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: fresh egg whites, granulated sugar, and a touch of cream of tartar. For equipment, a stand mixer or hand mixer is essential, along with a clean, heat-proof bowl and a piping bag with your favorite tip. Remember, all your tools must be spotless and free of any grease for the best results. Start by whisking your egg whites until they become foamy, then add the cream of tartar to stabilize them. Next, slowly add the sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, continuing to beat until the mixture is glossy and forms stiff, firm peaks. Once your meringue is ready, gently spoon it into a piping bag and pipe your desired shapes onto parchment paper or a silicone mat. Now for the oven-free drying. A food dehydrator is excellent. Set it to a low temperature, around 110 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours until crisp. Another option is to air dry them in a warm, dry room for 1 to 2 days. For smaller batches, a toaster oven on its lowest setting with the door slightly ajar can also work wonders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.